Study the figure carefully. Which shapes are present in the figure? Let's see. This is a circle and a triangle. Rectangle, square, no. Circle, square, triangle, circle, rectangle, triangle. Which one? Triangle, circle. The figure is made up of two triangles and dash. Which? Circle, rectangle, square, oval. Which one? Square. Let's write square here. Square. Which shape has 5 sides? Let's count. Let's make a line. That's why we cannot forget it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6. No. Should it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. This one. How many straight lines does this figure have? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 straight lines. Look at this yummy pastry. How many circles does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's take 9.